Hi guys, Todd Gormley again with another tech snippet. Today I want to talk about the help desk. I want to make sure everybody knows what it is and how to get there. So if you're having issues in your classroom or at school housing or general maintenance needs to be aware of something, use the help desk ticket. Um, Mike and I and the building IT folks, we get emails constantly. So if you want to hit a lot of different people, let them know that there's an issue going on, specifically the building principals, district administration, the building IT folks, and the district IT and technology folks, use the help desk ticket. You don't have to send multiple emails. You can just get this done right now. So let's talk about how to get here. Let me move myself down to the bottom. I'm in my Chrome web browser. I tell people to use the Chrome web browser because it does a great job of saving your username and passwords, which you can see demonstrated right here in the middle of my screen. Now, if you're struggling, if you realize that you don't have apps and wildforlife.net bookmarks, it's because your Google Chrome is not syncing your account to this browser. So in order to do that, click on either your picture or your first name letter, and you see how mine is saying syncing to. If yours says something different, like sync, it needs to sync or whatever, click on that and tell it to link the data. Anyways, if you need help with that, please email me or give me a phone call. Now, I go up to wildforlife.net bookmarks in the top left-hand corner and click Help Desk. That will bring you right here. If you do not have a username or password, this is the same login credentials as your computer. So for example, Scott Christine is going to be Scott K and whatever his password is. So Pam Gambler, same thing. If you have a computer login, you have a login for this. Now, if you don't know your computer login, you can use somebody else's computer. So I'm going to show you what you can do if you need to use someone else's computer. Because I used my login, it automatically gave me a form with my name and email, but I do not have to use that. So we're going to say Joe Smith. Okay, so I can change it to Joe Smith, and I'm not going to finish that. You got the general idea. Type in your building phone number, or if this is for school housing, use your personal phone number. Okay. Room number. For housing, you're going to have trouble. So you just put in your actual room number. So my office is currently 119. In school, either choose your location. So if this is a school issue, put down your location. But if it's for school housing, indicate by selecting school housing. Is this a tech or is this a maintenance issue? Now, the difference is technology is you're having issues with your computers, your Chromebooks, your TV, anything electronic. Maintenance is pretty much anything else. Now, if you need something electronic hung, that would be a maintenance thing. So when we had to have our TVs hung up, the maintenance staff would take care of that. So make sure to select the appropriate group because you'll get different categories. In tech, you'll get general miscellaneous, application, so application of stuff in your classroom or outside your classroom. So anyways, those are the most common. In maintenance, you'll get these 4 or 5 options. So we're going to select tech. We're going to say that there's a hardware problem, meaning that something is not physically working on the computer or on the Chromebook. So you can type in your principal, supervisor. If the tech issue does not fit one of these categories, I would just leave it alone. So we're going to say that my USB port's not working. Okay, so I give a specific issue with specific information. So My details, I'm going to say that my computer USB ports are not working and they stopped working yesterday. So it gives me a timeline that tells me specifically what's wrong. And then when the tech people start looking at this, they say, okay, this is obviously something for Mike. Now, if I'm the classroom teacher, this is a high priority item for me because something is not working. Now, if I'm not using my USB ports very often, it's maybe something that's causing me some annoyances, but it's not causing any major issues. You want to select normal. If it's a non-issue for you, but it is something that should be fixed, click low. Now, I know that when Mike gets these emails, it does indicate if it's a high, normal, or low priority item. So after you've completed all of this, you may submit your request. And then, like I said before, your building principal, the district administration, the tech department, and your building IT person, your building person will all get emails. So anyways, hopefully that's helpful to you. Let me know if there are any issues or if you have any questions. Shoot me an email or a phone call. Thanks, guys. Bye.